This is true love, family. It is true love, family. It is true love, family. Hello, my name is Alicious Kamara, your host from True Love Family TV Australia. In today's episode, we will be discussing about finding your true love. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Before attempting to answer today's question, let's start with few quotations about love. Someone said, true love stand by each other's side on the good days and even stand closer on the bad days. Even stand closer on the bad days. I love that. Boris Pasternak said, love is not weakness, it is strong. Only the sacrament of marriage can contain it. Bruce Fawcett, the secret to a happy marriage is if you can be at peace with someone within the four walls, then that is what love is all about. Warren Buffett is right for saying this. Love is not a place to come and go as we please. It is a house we all enter in. Olaki Adebimutu said, love is to share and care selflessly towards an end, and perfection is attained in love when someone's selflessness meets with unmeasured gratitude from the beneficiary. My definition, love is creation because it is an action that brings two peoples together to form a happy home. Homes speak of peaceful environment, a dwelling place of two lovers who have made up their mind to live happily ever after. How to find true love? To find true love, there are certain qualities to look out for in a person. Though many say true love does not exist at all, but only exists in the movie, I beg to disagree with that. Qualities to look out for. Look for faithfulness and commitment. Paul said it is required in steward that a man be found faithful. This is a key ingredient to find true love. The person must be faithful and committed to your well-being, your interests, and to the relationship. What is faithfulness? Faithfulness could be defined as a loyalty or ability to be trusted. It is requirement for finding true love. Faithfulness could also be said a character of a person or a cornerstone of the character of the person. Do you see that? It is a pattern which is seen in relation to God, courtship, workplace, and in friendship. Unfaithfulness in one area of life may be indicative of possible unfaithfulness in the others. Circumstances that will test faithfulness. For example, sickness, loss of job, long distance relationship. What is commitment? My definition, it is when the couple decide to meet each other's needs or interests. To find true love, it is imperative that you ask your partner what commitment really means to them. Some might see it as individual interest, while others see it as joint effort, which is a sign of true love. Relationship commitment is a commitment that seeks the interest of both partners. It is a type of commitment that you risk your life for to please your partner. It is a selfless thing. Secondly, understand that true love is not self-seeking, it's not self-centered, but sacrificial. That is the second quality you must look for. Test your partner's love by the sacrifice they make for you and for the relationship. Greater love had no man than a man that laid down his life for a friend. Can this person seek your interest more than their own? There's a question you need to answer. Thirdly, look for real friendship. Look for what? Real friendship. Is the person your friend? Can you tell them everything? Do you laugh and play together? Do you tell them your secret? Do you correct them when they are wrong? There are some friends that can destroy. Please, don't just marry the person based on friendship. The person must be a real friend. Real friend to you. Someone who can die for you. Someone who can sacrifice for you. Look out for these qualities. Once again, my name is Alicious Kamara, your host from True Love Family TV. Stay tuned.